All right, this is just a little hack for people that are hiking long distances and want to roll out their muscles at night. It would be great to be able to take this roller with you, but again, it's heavy and it's just takes up too much space. So get rid of that. And what you can do is just take a piece of PVC pipe. This is 1.5 inches, and just take it with you. And then at the end of the day, just find yourself a stick. It'll fit it pretty good. Take a hand on both sides of the stick and just roll out your muscles. And you can discard your stick or take it with you. And that little piece of PVC pipe is, I cut it 4 inches. You could cut it longer or shorter, whatever you wanted to do. You could drill a little hole, be able to keep it on your backpack. Or you could keep it in your pack and maybe store your socks in there or something. And then if you were careful, you could actually, I believe, roll the bottom of your foot with this thing too. You could put something in there like your socks to help keep it more firm, but I believe you could actually even roll your feet out with that thing. But anyway, just a little hack here that if a person wants to try to roll their muscles out at the end of the day and doesn't want to carry something that's a little bit too bulky, there you go.